She got arrested because somebody powerful wanted the investigation in the Carolina forest fire to stop. And guess what? They won. They won.
The woman accused of starting a fire that did create and spread that wildfire on Covington Drive in Carolina Forest was scheduled to go on trial today, but the trial never happened.
ABC 15's Kara Riskus was there. So Kara, she worked out a deal with the state.
Jen, Connor, Alexandra Bialousow agreed to a diversion program which frees her of the charges that she faced, regulating fires on certain lands and negligently allowing fire to spread to the land of another.
My chest is lighter now. I feel more optimistic that there's justice.
Alexandra Bialousow was charged after 2,000 acres were scorched in Carolina Forest in March. The South Carolina Forestry Commission says Bialousow started a fire in a backyard fire pit during a burn ban. The arrest warrant states that Bialousow did not have an appropriate water source available or garden tools to control the fire, adding that because of this, the fire spread. She asked for a jury trial, but just as it was about to begin, her attorney, Johnny McCoy, said she would be taking a deal with the South Carolina Forestry Commission to do a diversion program. And once that is finished, her record could be expunged.
I'm going to tell y'all what I would have said in my opening statement in there, and that is this. If you want to know why she was arrested, because people don't just get arrested randomly for no reason. She got arrested because somebody powerful wanted the investigation in the Carolina Forest fire to stop. And guess what? They won. They won. Have any of y'all gotten any reports about what happened with the Carolina Forest fire? No. That's it. Right there. They pointed at her and said, here is your sacrificial lamb. But then you go read the warrants and they don't accuse her of starting the Carolina Forest fire. All they accused her of was not having a hose and not having gardening tools.
McCoy says they accepted the offer because if she were to go forward with the trial and was convicted, she would open herself up to liability in the wildfires. Bialousow says now she can breathe a sigh of relief.
It was a very traumatic experience, people gossiping. I was even afraid to come to my house for a few days. And I have kids and I was worried about their mental health because they go to schools and people gossip all the time.
And she says she wants to see changes after what she faced over the past 7 months.
I definitely feel the press should be more careful what they release about certain individuals, and that people should be more cautious of what they say about other people.
I reached out to the South Carolina Forestry Commission. They had no comment other than to confirm they agreed to the diversion program as, quote, part of a negotiated resolution. Live in studio, I'm Kara Riskus, ABC 15 News.
All right, thank you, Kara. And according to Horry County, entering into a diversion program is not an admission of guilt or a plea deal.